Right. Our topic is matter around us. In the last class, we discussed that matter is nothing but what is matter?
Matter.
Right. Matter is nothing but anything which can occupy some space, and having mass is called matter. And here you should remember that every substance in the every substance in the universe made up of matter, and a matter consisting of a tiny particle called atom or molecule. Clear? So every atom is made up of atom. Every matter is made up of atom or molecule. Clear? Is it clear, all of you? And matter have been classified into three different types. What are they? Solid, liquid, and gas. Another two kinds of matter also there, which is one is which we discussed at 0 degree Kelvin, or sorry, not 0 degree Kelvin, 0 degree Celsius, or minus 273 degree Kelvins, and the third one is plasma. So these two things also there, but these two things we can't discuss. But the matter have been well classified into three categories. They are solid, liquid, gas. Will you give some examples for solid? Which solid matter in the form of solid? Brick, textbook, brick, textbook, laptop, mobile. Will you give some more examples? Bowls, etc. are the matter which are made up of solids. And coming to the liquids, will you give example for liquids? Yes, fine. Water, alcohol, cool drinks, etc. And coming to the gases, hydrogen gas, O2. Right now, O2 is very essential for the COVID treatment. Why? Because all the patients are infecting in the lungs. O2, CO2, H2O, such kind of gases all are there. Not H2O, sorry, CO2, carbon monoxide, nitrogen gas, etc. So, if you have taken if you have taken either it may be solid, liquid, or gas, all the matters have consisting of a tiny particles called atoms or molecules. Is it clear to you, all of you? Are you getting my points?
Clear, sir.
Right. Matter around us. You may have heard the phrases like what is matter, the matter was closed. Have you ever wondered what this matter is? Meaning of this term is very different for scientists that are from the common man. See, As of the common man terms, matter is nothing but his strength, isn't it? Whether he is capable to do that work or not, that thing we will consider as a matter. But as of the scientist point of view, matter is different. Is it clear? Scientist point of view, the matter term is different. Matter, what is matter? Just now we discussed matter is nothing but anything which occupies some space and consisting of mass is called matter. You had read about metals, non-metals, synthetic and natural fibers, acids and bases, etc. See, if we had considered all these examples, metals and non-metals, they will come either they will be in the form of solid state or liquid state. And natural fiber, they will be in solid state. Acids and bases, they will be in the liquid state. See, different kinds of matter he mentioned in this stanza. Clear? So, the matter may be a solid, liquid, or gas, all those things are the possible around us which exist in varieties of shapes, size, and texture are also example for matter. The water we drink, our food, clothes, and various things that we use in our day-to-day life, the air we breathe, even our body, etc., are the example for the matter. Just he mentioned the example for the matter. Is it clear? Our body also example for matter. What do you mean by the term matter? Here he mentioned, he given the definition. Anything in this world that occupies space and has mass is considered as a matter. This is very important definition. Here he mentioned the definition in the textbook. Anything which is occupies some space and consisting of mass in the world, that should be considered as matter. But everything will consisting of mass and it will be occupy space. State of matter. In the previous classes, you had learned that water can be existed as solid. Solid is nothing but ice form, a liquid, or a gas, water vapor. We say that solids, liquids, and gases are the three different states of matter. Water can be found in all these states. Remember, water is a substance which can exist in all the three forms of state. In the solid state, it will be existed. In the liquid state, it will be existed, and gaseous, nothing but in the vapor form also it will be existed. Water is a substance which can exist in all the three forms. Are you following, children? Is there any substance which can be found in the three states of water? In the Is there any substance which can be found in three states like water? This question is homework to you. Find out the answer. Other than water, do we have any other substance which existed in all the three states? This is homework to you. Note down the point. Note down the question. Is there any substance which can be found in three states like water? Now look carefully at different objects around you. You can classify them into one of the three states of matter. See, if you observe around the surrounding of you, the surrounding, around the surrounding right now you might be have earphones, headsets, water, textbook, trees, birds, human being. These are all there around you. Headset, it is a kind of solid, right? Water, it is a kind, coming to the kind liquid. Textbook, it is also solid. Trees, solid. Birds, solid. Human being, solid. The air which you breathe, air, it is gas, right? It is gaseous in form. And many things are there. We can classify all those things. For example, you can say that wood and coal are solid and petrol is a liquid, right? Milk is also liquid like petrol, but the properties of petrol and milk are quite different from each other. See, look at here. See, all the liquids are there. He had given the example for liquids. Here he had taken two examples. One is milk and the second one is petrol. If you observe these two things, the properties are different. Why? Because the arrangement of the particle will be different. The density of the particles also different. Density is nothing but mass occupied per unit volume. It is called density. So for two liquid substances, we have different properties. Means the arrangement of the atoms will be different. That's why those properties also we have different properties. What are the properties that lead us to consider petrol or milk as liquid? See, a liquid. What is a liquid? Liquid have the property it will move or it will try to flow from one place to another place, right? అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు వాటర్ని మనము హైట్ ఉన్న ప్లేస్ లోపల పోసినాం అనుకో వాటర్ని, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? ఇక్కడ వాటర్ పోసేసిన నేను, ఇట్ విల్ మూవ్ ఫ్రమ్ హై హై పొజిషన్ టు లో పొజిషన్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? మూవ్ అవుతుందా అవ్వదా? ఇట్ విల్ మూవ్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? Is it clear? It will move from one position to another position. Is it clear? Are you following my point? What are the properties that lead us to consider petrol or milk as liquid? So it will have some properties when compared with solids and gases. Let us do some activities to understand the properties of solids, liquids and gases. Now, are you following? Respond. All of you following now?
Yes, sir.
Fine, thank you. Right. Properties of solids, liquids and gases: shape and volume. Do solids have definite shape and fixed volume? Means, see, look at here, mobile. If you have taken a mobile, its shape is going to be changed or it will be fixed or it will be a same shape whenever you are purchasing onwards. అంటే మొబైల్ షేప్ ఏమైనా చేంజ్ అవుతుందా పర్చేస్ చేసినప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటివరకు? ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్స్? మొబైల్ కొన్నారు
Yes,
మీరు,
sir.
స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఏ షేప్ లోపల ఉందో అదే షేప్ లోపల ఉందా లేదా మొబైల్? ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ షేప్?
Yes, sir. Different, sir.
No, it won't be different shape. It will be in the same shape. నువ్వు డ్యామేజ్ చేస్తే డిఫరెంట్
Cards
షేప్
are.
అవుతుంది. ఫ్రమ్ సి ఐ పర్చేస్డ్ ఒప్పో F11 Pro. ఉన్నప్పటి నుంచి దాని సైజ్ అండ్ షేప్ ఎలా ఉందో అలానే ఉంటుంది కదా, until you broke. So solid, it is comes under the classification of solid. It will have the definite shape, right, and definite volume. Solids we will have definite shapes and definite volume. But see, for suppose I have two bowls, రెండు బౌల్స్ నేను ఒక బౌల్ ఏమో ఈ షేప్ లోపల ఉంది, ఇంకో బౌల్ ఏమో ఈ షేప్ లోపల ఉంది. నౌ initially I add 100 ml of water in the bowl 1. So the bowl, whatever the shape will be there, in the same shape the water will occupied, right? Now I am adding that 100 ml of water into the second beaker. Look at here, same 100 ml will be there, but shape is different now. So liquid, here also I added 100 ml, Nana. same 100 ml liquid will have same volume, means same means here you should use definite volume, not shape. సో లిక్విడ్కి వచ్చే వరకు మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, దే విల్ హ్యావ్ ద డెఫినెట్ వాల్యూమ్ బట్ నాట్ షేప్. బట్ కమింగ్ టు ద సాలిడ్ దే హ్యావ్ డెఫినెట్ వాల్యూమ్ అండ్ డెఫినెట్ షేప్. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ టేకెన్ ద గ్యాస్, ఐ టుక్ ద ఎయిర్ బెలూన్ని ఇన్ఫ్లేట్ చేసేసిన నేను. ఇన్ఫ్లేట్ చేసేసి నేను ఏం చేసిన అంటే టై చేసేసిన. See, the shape will be, press it, the shape will be variable and the volume also going to be changed, right? అంటే ఇక్కడ air కి, I mean air is nothing but gas will not have definite volume and shape. దీనికి ఒక ప్రాపర్ షేప్ ఉండదు, ప్రాపర్ వాల్యూమ్ ఉండదు. క్లియర్? వీ కెన్ కంప్రెస్ ద గ్యాస్. కంప్రెస్ అంటే ఏంటి, దగ్గరికి చేయొచ్చు, వాల్యూమ్ని రెడ్యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. బై అప్లయింగ్ సమ్ ఫోర్స్ వీ కెన్ రెడ్యూస్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద బెలూన్ ఆల్సో, బట్ ఇట్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ద డిజైర్డ్ షేప్. సో ద మ్యాటర్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ డెఫినైట్ షేప్,